What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the C3Strom Astro e-bike. This e-bike has to be one of the best looking moped e-bikes I've seen on the market so far. As you can see by the design, this is also completely unique from anything else out there. This bike has a 750 watt motor and a 52 volt 20 amp hour battery, so not only are you getting great power but also long range as well. Similar to a motorcycle, this bike also has built-in turn signals as well as a tail light built into the frame. Overall, the design on this e-bike is much more similar to a motorcycle than it is a bike, and for me, that's one of the best parts about it and what makes it stand out the most. Admittingly, I have not had the chance to ride or review this e-bike yet. I've joined their Facebook group and everyone seems happy with the bike, so if you're in the market for a moped style e-bike, this one here is definitely a great one to consider. I also put the link so you can check out more details for this bike in the description below.